Hey guys, today we're going to learn multiples and factors, the beginning of it. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Multiples. Multiples are basically here the 2, 4, 6, 8. So I like to remember this by saying n times s equals m. And so here m is going to be the multiple, while n and s are going to be the factors. And so here, the multiple of a number is obtained by multiplying it with another number. So a multiple is made when one number multiplies with another, and then when they multiply, they make a number, and that number is going to be the multiple. So like this. And so here, the first four multiples of 2 are going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, because they go 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8. And so that is going to be the first four multiples of 2. And also, it's super easy to find the multiple of a number, because if they say find the multiple of 6, multiply 6 with any number, and then you get the multiple. But any number, and it's fine. Totally fine. That's the easy thing about multiples. You just make them. Okay, factors. The factors are, so as I told you, there's n times s equals m. So here, n and s. So n and s are the factors, m is the multiple. And so here, factors, so factors is what we're studying, right? So now, since factors is what we're going to be studying, here it's 1 times 12 equals 12. Here, 1 and 2. Factors. 12 is going to be the multiple. So that way, these two are multiples and these two are factors. So factors are basically the numbers used to make a multiple. So really, factors can be literally any number as long as it makes a multiple. So here, factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And so the way to find that, so I would like to make a rainbow. Put 1 and then a 12 at the side, and then see if I can divide by 2 again, which I can, and then it's going to be 6. 3 can be divided by 4, and then that's it. And so we could go by 4, but 4 is already here. And then if you try 5, you can't divide 12 by 5. And so when you start, like here you go 3, and then you're like 4 can get divided by 12, but then it's already here. Then there's 6, it's already here. And so that's when you know your rainbow is done. And so these are going to be your factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And that is exactly what we got here. So I like the rainbow method. It's easy to use. Okay, multiples of 7. So I'm going to say like the first 4 multiples of 7. So what I like to do is make 4 lines or 4 spaces and then label. And then just multiply. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. 7 times 4, 28. And so the first 4 multiples are going to be 7, 14, 21, and 28. And these are going to be the first four multiples of 7. And so that is our answer. So multiples, you just multiply 7 by something, but then factors, you want to divide 7. Firstly here, 7, you don't need to divide it by anything because you automatically know the answer is just going to be 1,7. Firstly, 7 is a prime number, and so that means, so prime, that's why I spell prime. um, so prime number is basically when there's a number and it's only divisible by 1 and itself. And right now 7, it's only divisible by 1 and 7. And so if it's prime, you just leave it that way. And so if there was a rainbow, like you did not know 7 was prime and you just want to do a rainbow to check. 1, and then there's a 7. You want to try 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But then you go all the way back to 7. None of these work. None of them. But 7 does, but it's already here. Then that's when you know you can't use it. And this is like your only option. 1, comma, 7. Okay. Multiples of 6. Again, I'm going to say the first 4 multiples of 6. So I want to make 4 little lines, label, and then 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 6 times 4 is 24. And so that's going to be the first 4 multiples of 6. And so this is going to be your answer. Factors of 24 then. So I want you guys to make a huge rainbow, 24, and then 24. Start with 1, 24. Great. Then 2, check. 24 divided by 2, that's going to be 12. Yep. Then 3. 24 divided by 3, 8. Another one, and then 4. 24 divided by 4, 6. Then, can there be a 5? Nope. Can there be a 6? Nope. It's already here. So, 5 and 6 out. And so this is just going to be our answer. So make sure the factors like when you multiply the factors, they can actually make the number. So here, 1 and 24, multiply, you get it. 2 and 12, multiply, you get it, right? 8 and 3, you get it. 4 and 6, you get it. So I'm just saying, make sure that they make that multiple. So this is going to be our answer here. And I also wonder if you guys noticed. And now we've been doing factors of 24, but did you guys notice 24 is a multiple? It's also a factor, but it's also a multiple. So what I'm saying is most numbers, every number, so let me just write this. Every number, any number, is a factor and a multiple. Anything. But if it was a prime number, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 are going to be the factors of 24. There. So another thing, we don't use a rainbow whenever you're trying to find multiples, but I normally use these little lines, and the labels because I feel like they're easier to do. And so that is it for today. I also just wanted to tell you guys that if this lesson was confusing for you guys, just practice and practice. Because even if you know it, practice makes perfect. And so that is it for today. Also, right now I only gave you small numbers, like 6, 24, 7, 2. But later on, you're gonna get way more bigger numbers, and we're gonna make a separate video on that. So until then, I want you guys to practice multiples and factors, at least the basics. And so that is it for today. And before we all just go on, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching my video.